2024 began with a milestone. Completing my master's in business administration in March, it was a proud moment, a celebration of years of hard work. But as I stood on the stage, I found myself asking, what's next? After graduation, I took on a challenge that mirrored my inner journey, climbing the Mount Pulag. As I stood above the clouds, watching the sunrise, I felt a quiet clarity. The mountain reminded me that every step, no matter how steep, leads to something beautiful. The following month took me away across the world. Canada, 5 provinces in 6 months, and all 4 seasons. At first, I thought I came here to find solace, to escape, to search for answers in a new environment. But as the months passed, I learned something much deeper. It wasn't the places or the newness that brought peace. It was the joy in simple things. Quiet walk in autumn, magic of the first snow, the kindness of strangers from different cultures. These moments reminded me that purpose is not tied to a place. It is shaped by perspective. I realized I wasn't not enough. I had been chasing standards set by society, feeling consumed by the weight of expectations. Canada helped me unlearn that. I need to define my own values and to find joy in simple being. In November, I journeyed to Australia for 14 days, a glimpse of the future I am planning. It wasn't just about just traveling, it was about holding peace for my dreams, recalibrating my goals, and embracing what comes next. 2024, the year of discovery, not just in geography, but in self. From the peaks of Mount Pulag to the streets of Australia, from Canada's landscape to moments of leaderships. This year taught me that growth is about embracing life as it is. And now I'm ready to climb the next mountain.